Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sell digital downloads. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, go for a platform. For example, I will be going to Canva. When you go to Canva, here you will be able to create many templates. You can go ahead start design for free, and once you are logged in you will be able to design a template. You can make ebooks. You can also go ahead and create digital art, printables, and stock photos. You can also go ahead make art on t-shirts. And once you have that product ready, what you need to do is you need to find a platform to sell it. Now once you know the platform for digital marketplace are one of Payhip or Gumroad. Now these are the platforms available. So what you need to do is you need to go to one of the platforms, get yourself an account and a shop. And then you also have a platform like Etsy, which has millions of active buyers. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead create yourself an account in Etsy as well. Once you have created a shop account in Etsy, you're gonna go ahead put your product. You can copy the link from Canva and you put your link over there and make it available. You can go ahead add in the amount and everything and set up including the payments, etc. And when a buyer is ready to buy that, when they purchase it, they will be buying a design or template that you have created or the ebook that you have uploaded. That's how you will be able to sell digital downloads on online platforms. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.